We are the factory for aluminum CNC machining center. Here is the 4-axis and 5-axis gantry type CNC machining center. This one is with 4 heads CNC drilling milling machine. Also here, the first one is 7 meter CNC drilling milling machine, and the second is 6 meter CNC machining center. And another 3 set is for our order custom. This is his second order. Before he already ordered 3 sets. Now this order also 3 sets. So he will have 6 sets our machines soon. And here and the production are 3 meter CNC machining center with ATC. They are under production. So if you have any requirement, contact me freely. Thank you.